Let's talk about the Supreme Court's recent leanings on parental rights and why this case about LGBTQ plus curriculum in schools is so important. When I was teaching, you couldn't even show anything above a G rated movie without getting parent permission. But now some schools think it's okay to force feed LGBTQIA ideology to young, impressionable children without involving parents. How did we get here? This isn't about teaching kids to be kind or empathetic. That's been happening for decades. These new books go beyond that. They're introducing topics like gender choice and ideas that contradict biological realities, like two parents of the same gender making a baby. For young kids ages 4 to 11, this isn't education, it's indoctrination. The Supreme Court is hearing a case where parents are fighting for the right to opt their kids out of these lessons. And honestly, they should have that right. Parents, not the state, not teachers with personal agendas, should decide when and how their kids are introduced to these sensitive topics. Teachers are there to educate, not to impose their belief systems on a captive audience of children. The left loves to warn about the dangers of corporate America influencing our schools if they were privatized. But what about the personal beliefs of school staff influencing our kids? That's the real danger here. When did we decide it's okay for the state or a classroom teacher to override a parent's role in raising their child? The parents in this case aren't asking to ban the curriculum, they're asking for a choice. Justice Kavanaugh summed it up perfectly. You're not seeking to prohibit instruction in the classroom. You're just seeking not to be forced to participate in that instruction. And let's be clear, this isn't about tolerance or inclusion. It's about respecting parental rights and protecting kids from being exposed to ideas they may not be ready to process. The Supreme Court's lean-in suggests they understand this, and it's about time someone stood up for parents. So here's the question. Should schools have the authority to push personal agendas on children, or should parents have the final say? Share your thoughts.